So if your dream is to live walking distance to this beautiful beach behind me, then listen up. We have the amazing builder, GHO, spearheading another community here right off of A1A. And the best news is they're ready to go when you are. So kick back and relax as we tour the beautiful neighborhood of the Strand. All right, now before we jump into the beautiful model home tour we have lined up for the day, let's quickly discuss what we're going to be covering in today's video and in which order. Now, I know the favorite part of the video is always seeing those beautiful model home walkthrough tours, so that will be the first thing that we do. The model home today is going to be called the Sand Dollar Grand, and I think that's appropriately named if you ask me. But that one will only be one out of 4 different model homes that GHO has available in this neighborhood. So we will be talking in detail about the other 3 that they have after we conclude the walkthrough. The next category we'll cover is the location and why it's awesome and close to so much that you could possibly want. And finally, we'll conclude the video with the HOA fees and what that covers. All right, now let's quickly go and run across the street and see what the beautiful Sand Dollar Grand has to offer us. Alrighty guys, so here it is, the Sand Dollar Grand. I just love how beautiful these GHO homes look from the outside. They do an amazing job of giving you that coastal elevation, which really hits home when it comes to that Florida design. And if you think that this is impressive, the designers do just as well with the interior of the home as well. So let's not waste any more time and get inside the Sand Dollar Grand. So welcome to this exquisite tour of the Sand Dollar Grand, boasting 3,041 square feet of living space, designed with a beautiful coastal decor that encapsulates the essence of Florida living. This residence features 3 spacious bedrooms, a versatile den perfect for a home office or additional guest room, and 3.5 bathrooms, ensuring ample space and privacy for residents and guests alike. This home, with every detail meticulously crafted, represents the pinnacle of coastal elegance and spacious living, perfectly suited for the Florida lifestyle. So with that being said, please enjoy the rest of the tour. All right, now I know that that home was very impressive, but I'm about to take this tour to new heights because now it's time to talk about their interactive floor plan and more specifically, what upgrades can be done to this home that I personally love. So going onto their website, you'll see a ton of different options on the right side, such as adding a cabana bath out in the covered patio. For me, this is a must if you decide to add a pool. You also have options to separate the already huge closet space, which we saw on that tour, in case you guys each want your own space. And you can also change the floor plan to having 4 full bathrooms. And my personal favorite at the very bottom is adding a 4-foot extension to that 3-car garage. We've got all sorts of toys at our house, such as golf carts and jet skis, so every square foot of garage space matters to us. Now, if you look a little further down, you can also plan out different electrical components to the home and even play around with some of the furniture placement to really be ahead of the curve with this build out. So when I first pulled into the Strand, I was under the impression that I was only going to be recording one model home. But we actually got a bonus here. Whenever I first walked into the sales center, the nice sales rep was kind enough to tell me that we actually have one more home that we need to see because it is coming partially furnished. It's ready to go, and I think you need to check it out. So who am I to deny that offer? Let's go ahead and check out the Triton Grand. Now introducing the Triton Grand, spread across 2,992 square feet of meticulously designed living space. This home is an architectural marvel offering 3 bedrooms, a flexible den space, and a 3.5 bathrooms, ensuring ample space for comfort and privacy. The residence is equipped with a 3-car garage, seamlessly blending luxury with practicality. Its expansive layout includes a grand entrance that leads to an open and inviting interior. Not to forget, the outdoor living space is enhanced by a magnificent 14 by 28 foot pool, which we're going to get to later in the tour, creating a perfect backdrop for relaxation and entertainment. With a total footprint of 4,211 square feet, the Triton Grand stands as a testament to sophisticated design and functionality, making it an ideal setting for experiencing the best of Florida's lifestyle. So please enjoy the rest of the tour. So while yes, I do love making this content and I'm so happy that it is helping as many people as it has, but I wanted to remind you guys that I do run a relocation team that helps hundreds of people relocate to the Florida East Coast. So if you have any interest at all in making any home on our stretch of the Florida East Coast your home, please don't hesitate to reach out to us by either giving us a call, shooting us a text, or sending an email, because I promise that we will do whatever it takes to make that relocation to this beautiful part of Florida a seamless one. Oh, and if you love this content, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to this channel. I love you guys for doing that. All right, now let's go back to the video. So I know exactly what you're thinking. Andrew, for $2 million, what exactly am I buying here? Well, since I know that you have high expectations, I know that you're not going to be disappointed when I tell you exactly what you're getting. So first of all, I know it's a very important thing for a lot of you folks out there, and that is a natural gas community. That's right, that means your water heater, your dryer, pool heater, and generator can all have the potential to run on natural gas. Not impressed yet? Don't worry, because you also going to be getting a 14-foot by 28-foot saltwater pool that comes standard with the purchase. That means that that is the baseline. And if you want to go larger, no worries, we can make that happen for you. Since you're on the island, impact windows and doors should be very important to you for that peace of mind. So they are going to have you covered there as well. This and a ton more, like under cabinet lighting, level 4 quartz countertops, and a laundry list of other things, which you can see here on this sheet, is going to be included with your purchase for no additional cost to you. So what that essentially means is that you can buy the home completely bare bones, no additional upgrades, and still have one of the most beautiful homes you've ever seen, just walking distance to the beach. Now, there's only 4 floor plans that GHO is covering in this neighborhood, so I figured why not go ahead and go over the other 2 that we didn't see the model home tours for. So first on the list is the Oceanic Grand, which is a 3-bedroom plus a den, 4.5 bath with a 2+ car garage. And I say 2+ garage because if you look at the floor plan, you'll see quite a large space that's designated as a workspace. So the Oceanic Grand sits at 2,821 square feet of living space, and there's no Matterport tour for this home, but it still does have the interactive floor plan that you can play around with online. Second on the list is the Triton, which is a 3-bedroom plus a den, 3.5 bath, and a 3-car garage sitting at 2,976 square feet. This is another great floor plan with no Matterport tour, but of course you have the interactive floor plan on this one as well. Now it's time to talk about my favorite part about this neighborhood, and that's the location. So the Strand is located on the island, and the reason why I love that so much is because you not only have access to the beautiful beaches we were just standing in front of, but you also have access to this. This is the Jungle Trail. I don't have access to get through the gate right now because it is locked, but it was actually designed back in the 1920s to facilitate citrus growers hauling their produce. Isn't that neat? It's an 8-mile dirt road trail with beautiful views of the Indian River Lagoon, and is a popular spot for walking, biking, running, and a lot more. And you have access to this trail in the Strand, so I absolutely love that. This, on top of the deed to beach access you receive while living here, really gives you the keys to the best of both worlds. It's island living at its finest. Now, one thing you may not associate with island living is convenience. Well, unfortunately, you'd be wrong with having that assumption as well, because while living here at the Strand, you're located nearby a ton of great places. My personal favorite being the Village Shops, where they have an amazing breakfast and lunch spot called Citron Bistro. And the surrounding bistro, you have a ton of great smaller and larger shops surrounding it, such as Coastal Comforts, the wine shops, and my personal favorite, Tommy Bahama. Another cool aspect about living in the Strand is if you would also like to participate in a country club. So the Grand Harbor Beach Club is just right up the road, and the Quail Valley Country Club, with all of their amazing amenities, are not far either. This means you not only have the option of living on the prestigious island, but you can also participate in all of those activities that go along with being part of a country club nearby without traveling more than just a few miles to do so. One last thing about location, and if you're like me and you get what's called the island fever after too long, you're only 2.2 miles or just a 4-minute drive from the Wabasso Bridge, which quickly takes you back and forth over to the mainland, where there will be a brand new Publix being built just on the southwestern side of that bridge, making it again a super convenient location for everyone. Now, one more thing to cover, and that is the lot size. So you probably think that they pack these homes in here super tight because it's that premium beachfront property. Well, luckily, again, you'd be wrong there as well, because the absolute smallest lot that you will see here is an 80-foot by 150-foot lot, and they just climb up from there the more you look around. Now, when I say the more you look around, you won't be doing that for very long, because they are only building 47 home sites. So the chance that you have to build here and build your dream home is almost gone. So if this is something that interests you, it's in your best interest to go ahead and book a visit with us right away. Now it's time for everyone's favorite part of the video, the HOA fees. No, I'm just kidding. But you probably think that living in a beautiful area like this probably costs thousands of dollars a month in HOA fees, right? Well, actually, no, it only comes out to $14.75 a quarter. So all of this and more comes in at just under $500 a month. And with that, you get your common area maintenance, your gated entrance, deeded beach access, and that awesome trail to the jungle trail. So guys, if this neighborhood or any other new community or resale speaks to you, please don't hesitate to reach out by using the contact information below. We have the best relocation team in the business that will be ready for you when you are. And until next time, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. Beautiful views of the Indian River Lagoon. Beautiful, beautiful, say beautiful. Nope, don't like that one either.